How to start secret chat on Telegram X. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you will be learning how you can start a secret chat on Telegram X. And here is how to go about it. The first step would be to open the Telegram X application on your device. So, after launching the app, the next step would be for you to navigate to the chat where you want to have a private conversation. You can decide to either navigate to the chat, or you can decide to tap on the name of the user that you want to chat with, or you can just move to the lower right corner of the page here where you can see a pencil icon. By the time you click on this pencil icon, a list of options would be displayed. Amongst these options, you can see new chat, new group, new channel, new secret chat. So just go ahead and click on new secret chat. And then you'll be taken to the page where you can now see all of your contacts, and then you can now select the contact that you would like is to start a secret chat with. So after selecting a contact, you can see secret chats, use end-to-end description, leave no trace on our servers, have a self-destruct timer, do not allow forwarding, and then just go ahead and start your secret chat with the person. So that is it. It is as simple as that. So thanks for watching and have a good day.